Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Gulsan and I help you speak English fluently. In this video, I am going to give you 3 powerful hacks for English fluency that will make you a very confident speaker in English. The wind is blowing a little bit fast and I am in the shade of a tree, you can see, sitting on a chair, and I will give you 3 powerful hacks because I feel that if you follow these powerful hacks on a daily basis, they will make you a fluent speaker if you want to be a fluent speaker in 2025. Because I myself believe that these are the 3 hacks that I have been following for the last 2 years and I became a fluent speaker. What do I mean by fluent speaker? I can now articulate my feelings in very easy words. I can now articulate my thoughts very well. I can express my thoughts very well in this language, and it has been all possible because I followed these 3 hacks on a daily basis. If you want to be a fluent speaker in 2025, these are the hacks that you need to follow on a daily basis. So before I talk about these hacks, let me talk a little bit about me. If you're new here, let me tell you that I come from a Hindi medium background and I have learned this language from scratch by myself using just social media. And today I am going to give you 3 hacks that will make you a fluent speaker, that will turn you into a very confident speaker. Let's get started and talk about the first powerful hack. The first powerful hack is stop studying this language and start speaking this language from the day one. I remember I had made a video in the past talking about how you can speak English fluently without learning too much grammar rules. And you know what? The surprising part of that video was a lot of people disagreed with that video. They said you can't speak this language without learning grammar first. I do agree that you do need some basic grammar rules to form sentences. If you are coming from Hindi medium background or if you are coming from non-English medium background, I believe too that you need some basic grammar rules to form sentences initially. But if you totally depend on English grammar rules, you would never be able to speak in this language fluently. And after reading all those comments from those people who value more learning grammar first than speaking this language first, I knew that why most people would never speak this language fluently. They are always learning grammar rules. And you know the worst part of learning the grammar rules? There are some sentences that you can't directly translate from your mother tongue into English. And for that, you need to listen to this language as much as possible. I had said in that video also that the more you listen to this language, the better you will become at speaking this language. But no one listened. And that is why I thought of reminding you about that video. Okay? If you haven't watched that video already, I am saying you to go and watch that video. I know that you are going to make a lot of mistakes. Let's say कि आप 20 शब्द बोलते हैं जिसमें से 10 मिस्टेक्स करते हैं और 10 सही आप बोलते हैं, तो ये जो 10 सही आपने बोला वो आगे आने वाले टाइम में ये 10 को भी कवर कर लेगा. That's what I'm saying. And this is not only me saying this, there are a lot of people saying the same thing, that you don't need to learn all the grammar rules to become fluent at speaking English. The first powerful hack is start speaking this language from the day one. Learn some basic grammar rules and just go and speak this language. Make mistakes. Until or unless you are going to make mistakes while speaking in this language, you will never speak fluent English, you will never speak clear English, because unless you make mistakes, you never know what you are talking about. Okay, let's talk about the second powerful hack. The second powerful hack is stop translating this language in your head. you are not able to speak this language fluently. Why, you know? The reason you don't express yourself clearly in this language because you are always translating your mother tongue into this language. You are always doing that in your head, and you are doing that through grammar rules. That is why you are not able to speak clearly in this language. I just want you to stop translating this language in your head and start directly thinking in English. Yeah, the wind is blowing a little bit fast today. So yeah, stop translating. You know, the worst part of learning grammar rules is there are sentences that you can't directly translate from your mother tongue into English. आप कर ही नहीं सकते. तो मैं इस प्रॉब्लम का क्या सोल्यूशन ढूंढ रहा था, लेट मी टेल यू. आप एक सेंटेंस को 3 वे में बोल सकते हो. मतलब लेट मी टेल यू कि मेरी माँ मुझे बहुत प्यार करती है. इसको आप कैसे बनाओगे? ग्रामेटिकली आप बनाओगे कि माई मम लव्स मी अ लॉट. द सेकेंड वुड बी माई मॉम केयर्स फॉर मी. माई मॉम हैज़ अफेक्शन फॉर मी. So you can use these 3 ways to make a sentence in 3 different ways. Okay? So आप ढूंढो, अगर कोई सेंटेंस आप लिटरली ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो ये सोचो कि मैं 3 तरीके से इस सेंटेंस को कैसे बना सकता हूँ. एंड दैट्स वेयर यू विल फाइंड a lot of ways to say the same sentence in a different ways. So just stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in this language. And if you comment below, I will make a separate video on how to think in this language, a step by step. So if you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. Now let me talk about the third and most powerful technique ever. Yeah, the third hack is listening plus using shadowing technique. This alone is going to make you a very confident and a very fluent speaker in this language. If you want to become a fluent speaker in very short amount of time, this is what you can do to become a very confident speaker in very short amount of time. This is what I myself have been doing for the last 6 months every single day. What I do is I play a video that I am comfortable with, and then I repeat the things that the speakers are talking. So this is what you can do to become a fluent speaker, and you need to do this on a daily basis. There are more techniques, but these are the most powerful 3 techniques that I want you to follow every single day if you want to become a fluent speaker. If you do this every single day for the next 3 months, if you genuinely follow what I just shared in this video, you will become a fluent speaker. You will be able to articulate your thoughts in very easy manner. At the end of this video, I want to say, if you found this video to be helpful for you, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel because I keep bringing this kind of content on my channel. So also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload videos. Okay, bye bye.